In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Instagram videos to your camera roll. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just go to a video you would like to download. Once you find that video, tap at that paper airplane icon and then tap at copy link. That will copy the link to a particular video to the clipboard. After that, we can hop out Instagram, and then we need to get to any web browser. On a web browser, go to snapinsta.app. This website allows us to download Instagram videos for free. All we have to do is just hit add paste. To paste the URL we have copied and tap at download. After that, scroll down and then tap at download video. Then tap at download again and it will start downloading your video. Once it is done, tap right here, go to downloads. It will show you the recent downloaded video at the very top, and now we can tap on it and play it. However, if we would like to save it to our camera roll, we need to tap at share and then save video. After that, if we go to photos, we can easily find that video right here. That's how you can easily save Instagram videos to your camera roll.